Okay. So, isogenicsfastfacts.com.
Okay.
I know you see all the stuff and you're like, I want to take this stuff. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I
So
think
so
I want to be a member.
I know, you know what I was actually thinking about? So I got to find out if they're ever going to open in the Philippines.
Okay.
Because the other thing I was thinking is, what we could do is we could set you up an account in the U.S. And we could set you up an account here. The tricky thing is you can't make money without a social.
Okay.
So that's the problem. Is even like if we were in the Philippines, you would put in whatever like your tax number is there, and you could get paid there. But that's the problem is there's no way for you to get you paid.
Yes.
So okay, I'm out of room to breathe with my belly at this point, so I get winded very easily. Okay, so basically, this is the guided products, and
Is Luca feeling better?
he's got a little bit of a cough. It wasn't really bad. I didn't want to have him at school because it's just not nice to other kids if he's feeling sick. Okay, so this is the product, but he seems much better today. He doesn't want to go to school though. He's like, no, I want to stay home. Like, of course you do. So what would be great is if you would make a list of every product in here. Okay.
Okay.
There's your little guy.
And he's sleep talking.
Oh, he is. I was gonna say. I hope he's not awake right now. So make a list of all the products in there in a Google sheet,
Okay.
and then what I'll do is I'll organize when we do them during the week. Okay.
Okay.
And these are great because it gives you the bullet points.
Okay.
Right. So what we typically want to do is we want to highlight one product each week.
All right.
Now on Isogenics products, I think.com. All right. I got to figure out where all the meal ideas are.
Oh, okay.
Because somewhere they have like a bunch of meal ideas.
Uh-huh.
So like, okay, this in general just has a lot of resources, this site. Here we go. Okay, down below. So there's recipes.
Okay.
So this is how to use, oh, well, that's for meals. Hold on.
Oh.
That's for people's third meal. We don't necessarily want that. Eh. So we basically want to alternate between like products. Okay, so like recipes. So let's say one week it's like, recipe. 1 week it's tips. I'm trying to like show you good examples of these. I feel like they should have this. So one is you can just use some of these articles.
Okay.
But like, I'm doing a bad job of showing you how to do this today. Where's the navigation bar? I know it was there a minute ago. Oh, here we go, resources. Knowledge base. No. Okay, resources. Okay, isogenicsrecipeguide.com. What is this? Okay, the question is whether or not this is. Okay, so here's a bunch of things.
Okay.
See, and I don't want people using milk, so I don't want to like put this or like berries. Oh, like here would be a good one. You could literally just like screen capture this.
Okay.
This is also good. I'm like, where is this? Oops. So for example, oh, yum. I'm just trying to find like, oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, so what are these? So for example,
Super smoothie bowl.
all right. So for example, this would be one. Now it doesn't have to, I mean, shakes, I wouldn't normally do, and the ice pancakes are amazing, but like maybe one recipe a week would be good.
Okay.
And then like, which could be a shake, a recipe like this. Like these are obviously all recipes, snack ideas, like they've got 80 pages. So this could be a year's worth of stuff.
Okay.
And then I'll figure it out for next week. But what would be good is to prepare a bunch of these, like go through and make screen capture those and then schedule them out like once a week.
Okay.
Okay. And then if you schedule them out, then I can go in and look at the copy, the text, and if I need to do any tweaks. But I'll write this one just to give you an idea. I'm feeling so pregnant. Okay, so for example, now I think if I drop this one in first, it'll show up at the top, which is what I would like because it's the prettiest picture.
All your pictures are pretty.
Oh, thank you. But I mean, it'll just look better than, let's see. Okay. I'll say shake it up with these low calorie add-ins to spice. Favorite shake. Thank you. Hey, Dora, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hold on.
Hi.
It's mommy's friend.
Hi.
Here. You want to hear her?
How are you?
Oh,
Hi.
hold on.
So
I gotta.
cute.
Okay, select a microphone. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, now I think you can hear.
Yeah. Hi.
She said, "How are you feeling?" This is
So cute. How are you doing, buddy?
How do you say your nickname though?
Chris.
Chris. Okay, she said Chris. Say Chris. Hi, Chris.
Hi. So cute. Hi.
He's sleeping right now.
Ooh.
Maybe next time, okay?
Okay.
Say hi to your little boy.
Hi. He's so cute.
Thank you. I think so.
Yes.
Really cute. What do you say? What do you say? She said you're really cute. What do you
You're
say?
so cute.
Thank you. Thank you. He's having some tea. Yeah, that's good. Cheers.
Mommy, you have
Cheers.
both tears.
We have tea to make our throats better.
Oh wait, and not that. Don't touch that one. That one's really hot.
Really
Yours
hot.
is not so hot.
Boop.
Have yours.
Okay. Mama's gonna do some work, okay, sweet boy? I love you.
It's not that hot.
All right.
It's not that hot. Ready?
I'll finish this up. But this is something that, oops. Select the microphone. Okay, hear me again?
Yeah.
Okay, oops, wait. And then I didn't put, selected my head speaker.
You gotta leave right now.
Okay, perfect. Now, talk again? Okay, good.
Hello.
Okay, good. So this is just something like this could be a project. You don't have to do them all today, but when you've got some time or you want to put in some hours, this would be an easy one to just get them ready. So I don't want to do a bunch at once. Shakes obviously are one of the things you can have the most kind of variations of.
All right.
Let's see. Shake it up with these low calorie add-ins to spice up your favorite shake. Shake or make it into a smoothie bowl. Let us know your favorite recipes and creative concoctions for your shakes, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, or a tasty after dinner dessert. Okay, so and then what I would do, I mean, this is just an easy one, is, okay, is grab this, like grab the fast facts.
Okay.
Okay. Want the details on why these shakes are not only so
Tasty.
tasty, but also so good for you. It's weird how it like, we'll just put meal replacement.
Okay.
Available in vegetarian way or plant-based proteins. Oops. This is so weird.
Doesn't have any space.
I know. We'll just put I'm gonna just do this to like separate it out. So weird.
And vegetable powders.
Okay, I'm not gonna I'll just do this. It's so weird. I don't know why. So I found out, so I got a new laptop and I found out that the cameras just are crappy on these. That's why,
Really?
yeah. So I'm gonna have to like get a new camera to attach to it.
Okay.
All right. Oops. All right. So basically that's it. It's a lot, but that's all right.
Eh, is this can be posted in LinkedIn or?
No, this is just for Elevate Your Life project. Well, actually what I would do is so I post it there
Mm-hmm.
and in Mackenzie's group as well. She's funny. Sometimes she takes my post and then like copies it, deletes it, and then reposts it so that it's her, but whatever. I've got to ask her why she does that because it's kind of like.
Yeah.
And then throughout the days, if you could update, if you can, so hers is the balanced life.
Okay.
And I don't know, I don't think I'm an admin in there, so I don't know if I can schedule it. So I think what we'll have to do with that is just schedule it in Elevate, and then once it posts, go back in and post it, you know?
Okay.
Okay, then one other thing I'll show you. So obviously we're not going to schedule this one. I'm just going to post it.
Okay.
See how it looks though, like that?
Yeah.
So when you go back to Elevate, if you go to photos,
Oh, it's there already.
it's there, but there is albums and there's one of recipes.
Okay.
And so what I'd love you to do is just upload those. So we can do this. And literally go to your desktop. Let's see. Is it just those three? I thought there was one more. There we go. And then those can get added in.
Okay.
And then what I would do is, because it's already been posted, hide from newsfeed. So it's in the folder, but it's not in the newsfeed again.
Okay.
Sound good? So you can literally go through that little booklet, and you can just like schedule out for the week.
Okay.
Utilize all those recipes.
Okay.
And then just draft them, schedule for one a week, like on Tuesdays would be great. Draft them, and then I'll go in and, take a stab at writing the content, but then I can come in and just kind of put it into my language.
Okay.
And that'll give you tons, and then keep working, keep updating the list today as people respond back on the cards.
Okay.
All right, dear. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.